Abundance Stock Advisors. Let's make money.
Hello friends, welcome to our new Brahmastra series. In this series, we are going to empower you with weapons that comes from experts like Warren Buffett, Jesse Livermore, Shri Rakesh Jhunjhunwala ji, etc. People who have dedicated their lives to stock markets and have made it really big. This knowledge will change the way you approach the stock markets. So whenever you lose track of the path and are confused, turn to this series for help and guidance. It's our guarantee. You will come back as a gladiator loaded with weapons to fight and not just survive. To get notifications on this series, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. So, today's weapon is: the stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient. What a statement from Warren Buffett. Friends, an impatient investor is his own enemy in the stock markets. Please remember that when a stock moves up, it moves very slowly like a tortoise and tests your patience at every moment. Example, this is the chart of MRF. In 2013, it was trading at 10,000 rupees, and in 2018, it became 80,000 rupees. 8 times in like 5 years. Wow, amazing. But as it became 8 times, it seriously tested an investor's patience on its path. Firstly, in the year 2015 and 2016, where it heavily corrected. Secondly, in the year 2016 and 2017, when it was sadly consolidating. And then again, in the year 2017 and 2018, where it heavily consolidated again. During all these moments, impatient investors sold the stock, either in losses or with minor profits. But patient investors continued to hold it. They knew the growth story was very much intact. So the 8 times profits went only to the patient investors. Impatient investors quit the stock long time back. And now guess what? These guys are bad-mouthing MRF and the stock markets. So friends, stock markets will test your patience every now and then. Patience is the only criteria to play this game. If you are a patient investor, you will make money in the stock markets. There are many such amazing videos on our YouTube channel. You should definitely watch them. Next week, we will load you again with yet another Brahmastra. To get notifications on our next episode, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Until then, happy investing.